Hi everyone, welcome to my online art classes. Today we will be learning how to draw and color a unicorn. Take your pencils and let's start. We'll start by making the neck a curved line like a reverse C shape. A long curved line like this. We'll start from the left. Done. Now we will make the forehead. For that we will make a semicircle continuing this line up and way forward towards the mouth. For the mouth we'll make a reverse small C shape like this. And continue the line and extend it with a curved shape like a U shape towards the head. We'll draw the nose now with making a small circle here and a smile, a curved line for a smile. Now we will make the ears. The ears are in the shape of a leaf. Done. Now we will make the other side of the neck. We make a line, bring it like a U shape towards the right and a big reverse C shape this way. What is a reverse C shape? It's opposite of the C shape that we do. Okay. Now we will make a line for the leg now. I'm extending the line a little bit for the body. Now let's make the leg. For making the leg, I'm making a slant line down, a small sleeping line, one more line for the completing the leg. The top is the narrow part and bottom is a little wider. We'll continue with the body going up. Okay, now we'll make the leg. From there draw a slanting line, curve and bring it down. Draw one sleeping line in the same line as the first leg and join with the upper part of the back leg. Done. Now we'll make the back leg which is on the other side, the inside side. Okay, it will be in the same shape, a curved line and join it. Now let's get back to the first leg. The first inside leg will be a slanting line and come down, another line, come down and make a sleeping line to join both the lines. Now we will make a sleeping line on all four legs like this. Now let's make the tail. For tail we'll make a wave shape here, up, down, up, one more line up, down, up and join it with the first point. We'll make one more two lines, join it at the end. Done. Now let's make some hair. It will be in the shape of a wave, up, down, up, down, we'll continue making some more strands of the hair, up and down. Now on the body we'll draw some more wave shape lines, some more hair strands. Okay. Now we'll make the eyes. Make a circle shape, a big circle shape for the eyes like this. Now we'll make 3 eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. We'll make one more small circle inside the eyes. This way. One more. We'll make one heart shape on the body like a tattoo. Okay, now let's start outlining. You can use your black marker or a black sketch pen and trace whatever you have drawn. I'm using a thick marker. Trace everything that you have drawn slowly. Let's outline the ears, hair and the eyes as well. Since this is a unicorn, we are making a triangle here. The triangle is the horn part. Now let's start coloring this. Our outline is done. I'm using pencil colors for this. You can use your pencil colors, your sketch pens or your oil pastels or crayons. We'll be making the unicorn a very colorful one. The body will be white. The hair and the tail, the heart, all this we will be coloring. Let's start coloring from the red color. One strand of hair with the red color and one line for the tail we will be using red color. You can use your own colors, your own choice of colors, or you can follow what I am doing. Next I am using a yellow color. color each strand turn by turn. Don't mix both the lines together. Now I'm taking a blue color. Some more color on the body also, we will use the blue color. Two strands with a green color. Next I'll be taking pink. Remaining all the lines I'm using pink color. Done. Now the ears also pink color, the heart also pink color, the lines on the leg, that also pink color, a little bit on the smile also I'm using pink color. Take your black pencil color or a black marker and fill the eyes. I'm not coloring the inside circle, we'll keep it white. Okay, we'll not color this. There, our unicorn coloring is done. Hope you liked the video. Did you enjoy coloring with me? If you did like it, do like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next class. Bye bye.